talk about creating custom ringtones with the music that you already have in your iTunes library. And this was actually a question that came to us through Facebook. We want to show you a quick way to do this with Garageband. Now this is a great project to do if you've never used Garageband before. It's very simple, very quick, and very easy, and it's a great way to learn how to use Garageband. So we want to open up Garageband here, come to our left-hand side and go to New Project. And we could actually choose any of these new projects, but go ahead and choose Loops because it will start us out blank. We're going to be adding our own track with the song that we chose. And you want to name your project the name you want your ringtone to have. So we already have our song chosen, and it happens to be a Beatles song. So we're just going to name our project Beatles Ringtone. Go ahead and hit Create, and our main Garageband screen is going to pop up here. Now, all we want to do is come down to the bottom right-hand corner to what's called our Media Browser button. Go ahead and click on our Media Browser here and make sure we have clicked on Audio here, and our entire iTunes library will be listed. Since we already have our song chosen, we're just going to search by the name of the song, which is going to pop up here. So now we just want to click and drag this song all the way over to the left-hand side, and we are adding a track of that complete song to our ringtone. So we'll let Garageband convert this song over into something that we can actually edit. And now we just want to come back down to our Media Browser button and click on it to get it out of the way. Now, this is the part where you want to listen to your song and make note of where you want the ringtone to start and where you want the ringtone to stop. And you can do that one of two ways. You can actually just watch your playhead, which is this red line here. When you're playing the song, it will move across, and you can make note of where the tickers are, the start and the stop that you want your ringtone to have. Or you can also use down here these numbers, or if you click on the music note here, you can actually change it to time. So you could make note of the actual time that you want your ringtone to start and you want your ringtone to stop. So we've already done that, and we've determined we want our ringtone to start at 19. So we're just going to click up here on the 19, and we're going to add what's called a cycle region. Really easy to do. Just come down here to the bottom, to your tools down here at the bottom, and we're going to click on this, what's called the cycle button. And now you will see another little layer underneath your tick marks at the top, and we're just going to click and drag as long as we want our ringtone to be. So we've determined from 19 to 23 is where we want our ringtone to play. And now we're done. All we need to do is come up here to Share and send ringtone to iTunes. It's going to create our ringtone and open it up in iTunes. Now to find that ringtone in iTunes on the left-hand side, you'll see Tones, and there we have our Beatles ringtone. So next time you plug in your phone, you can choose your custom ringtone to sync. Thanks for watching, and submit your questions to our Facebook or Twitter page at MacAuthorityLOU. Thanks!